Once there was a prince who was sent by his father to a distant village to gain experience of the world. The prince spent many years in the village, and finally the king was satisfied that his son had learned the maximum from his time spent there, and he summoned his son, the prince, to return to the palace. After his departure, the villagers' eyes filled with tears, and they sat down and cried. But there was one villager who said, "Why are you crying? Is he not the king's son? Has he not returned to the palace, to his true place?" The soul in this world is like a prince fulfilling an apprenticeship in a distant village. We're here solely to learn the ways of the king. In this world we're clothed with a physical existence. However, our entire focus and desire must be to return to the palace. In the ancient world, when grieving for a dead person, idol worshippers would make a bald spot in their hair between the eyes. The Torah forbids this practice explicitly. And in that same place on the head, the Torah commands us to place the totafot, the tefillin of the head. The Torah teaches that when wearing the tefillin, we must never remove our concentration from them. And similarly, we must never remove our focus from the purpose of this world and turn the place of the tefillin into a bald and empty space by grieving too much for someone who has returned to the palace. This physical world must never divert us from our apprenticeship in this world, whether through pleasure or through grief. The entire purpose of this world and our existence here is to be able to return to the world of truth, having perfected ourselves. If we remember this, we'll always be happy, for all life's vicissitudes will be seen as no more than part of our apprenticeship.